Yeah, some people say, well, hey, listen, the percentage is so low when you think of the millions and millions of people in the state of Michigan. But I think it's a little bit like when you see a fruit fly in your kitchen. It may only be one or two fruit flies, but if you don't get rid of those fruit flies right then, a day or two later, you're going to have 20. And if you keep on letting it go unchecked, your kitchen could be taken over. And I think that's a little bit of the concern here. We have improving vaccination rates, but still in some spots in our state, as in the Detroit area being one of them, vaccination rates are still low. And so experts are saying we need to keep pushing forward.
We need to move forward with our vaccination rates faster than before because we don't want to give this virus a chance to win.
Dr. Tina Chopra, professor of infectious diseases at Wayne State University, says the Delta variant of COVID-19 is spreading fast.
The Delta virus is highly contagious, and the viral load of the Delta virus is 1,000 times that of the original virus.
As of Monday, 33 of 83 counties, including Oakland, Macomb, and Livingston, are considered to have substantial or high transmission rates. In these areas, the CDC advises both the vaccinated and unvaccinated alike to wear masks. Late last week, just 10 rural counties in Michigan fit the CDC's criteria. As of Friday, Michigan's daily average of new COVID-19 cases was 678. Compare that with just 2 weeks ago, the daily average was just 241. So medical experts say they're worried about what's next.
Delta variant and the other variants came from continued replication of the virus and infection in the community. Variants and mutations are bound to occur. I'm concerned that the next variant might escape previous immunity and might escape vaccination. That's why we have to vaccinate everybody as quickly as we can.
Beaumont Health Hospital System currently has 64 COVID patients admitted. 3 of those hospitalized patients are vaccinated, according to leaders at the hospital system. That's 0.06% in breakthrough cases. Examples like this one experts are pointing to as proof that vaccinations work.
A known fact that vaccinations are the only way to get out of this pandemic. And when we have that tool in our toolbox, I think the community has to get vaccinated and help each other through these tough times.
Now, when we talk about the number of people who are hospitalized and vaccinated, those breakthrough cases, we are talking about fully vaccinated. We have seen in hospitals throughout the country reporting their own numbers that there are people who perhaps had one shot but aren't 2 weeks out after that second shot. So the fully vaccinated, that's where they're seeing the lowest numbers hospitalized, and that's why they continue to advocate for those vaccines. Reporting live, I'm Jennifer Ann Wilson, 7 Action News.